Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, then thank you so much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning in this brand new video. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys my autumn/fall makeup tutorial 2023. It is giving cozy, it's giving warm vibes, and I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this makeup look. If you want to see how to achieve it, then definitely carry on watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started. So guys, for my eyes, I'm going to be using both Morphe palettes. These are the Artistry palettes. I'm using Fierce by Nature, which is 3503 and then 35V. So that's what I'm going to use for my eyes. I will link it in the description box below, but I thought I may as well just let you guys know what the numbers are for the palettes. So I'm starting off with 3503, which is the Fierce by Nature palette, and this is what it looks like. It has a lot of orange and like browns, which is pretty much what we're going for in terms of this makeup. So I'm going to start off with this color here. This is the orangey, it's like an orangey kind of light browny color. This is what I'm going to go in with to warm up the crease area. I'm just going to apply the product onto my crease, and I'm going to leave the middle just a little bit blank. And then guys, I'm just going to grab the Morphe Artistry palette, which is the 35V, which I mentioned at the beginning, and I'm taking this color here. This is just a light shade of brown, and I'm just going to apply that on the areas where I've just applied that burnt orange shade. And this is just going to help to warm it up a little bit. I know that for you guys it probably looks very orange, but in person it's actually quite light. So I'm just going to apply that on top of that area just to tone things down a little bit. And then now guys, I'm going to grab this deep brown here, which has like a reddish sort of undertone, but I just really love applying this brown, especially with looks like this one, because it just really warms up the eyes really nicely. I know right now it doesn't look like it's coming together guys, but it definitely will. And then now I'm going to apply this bronzy color here, which has a little bit of shimmer, and I'm going to apply that in the mid section of the eyes. Guys, I'm going to grab the Natural Nudes palette, and as always I'm going to use and then guys, I am going to grab the Natural Nudes palette from NYX Cosmetic, and I'm going to use the color Truffle, which is just this dark matte brown, and I always use this to line my eyeshadow because I just like the way that it looks like. So I'm just taking a flat brush. You can see it's just like a blended out effect, nothing too perfect. And then for my mascara, I'm just going to be using the Kylash Volume Mascara, which I always use nowadays. I absolutely love this mascara. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I will put on some lashes, but I like to always apply mascara before lashes, obviously. And then I'm going to start doing the rest of my face and basically finish up everything. So guys, I'm going to be doing some underpainting. This is how I prefer doing my foundation and sort of like the rest of the face. That's how I prefer to do it. And underpainting is pretty much doing everything in the reverse order. So I'm going to start off by contouring my face. So guys, for my face, I'm going to be doing the underpainting technique, which is pretty much doing everything in the reverse order. So I'm going to go in with my contour concealer. This is the Camo Hydrating Concealer and it's a satin finish. The shade that I'm using is the Deep Cinnamon, and I'm just applying that on the areas that I want to pretty much contour. I love doing this technique because I feel like it just makes my makeup actually look the shade that I want it to look. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just looks like it's contoured in the right order, and it just really makes my makeup look flawless. So I really love doing this technique nowadays. So all you just do is apply the contour concealer of your choice, and then you pretty much blend this out, and then I'll show you guys what I do next. I like this technique because if you're not someone that's very good with precision, when you apply like your contour, this is probably the best technique to do because it doesn't really matter how you place your concealer. To be honest, it's just all about blending them out. So that's another reason why I like this technique, because it's just effortless. It's not all about like you need to apply it in this sort of line or in this sort of precision. It's just pretty much about the coverage and how everything looks airbrushed. So I really like it. And I also feel like it allows me not to use a lot of foundation, which is something that I like doing nowadays. I don't like using a lot of foundation because I just personally don't feel like you need to use foundation, a lot of foundation all the time. I think sometimes, especially in the daytime, it's just nice to go without applying too much like foundation. So yeah, that's pretty much how I blend it out, and then I'm going to show you next. For my foundation, I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation. This is the one that I like to use. The shade that I use is 4W, and then all I'm going to do is just apply it in these areas. And by the way guys, if you want to know where I got these Bottega dupe earrings, I got them from Amazon, just in case you might want them as well. I got them on Amazon for literally the fraction of the actual price for these real Bottega dupes, and I'm so glad I found them on Amazon because there's so many that you can get, guys. You can get them in silver, you can get like more sort of different shaped gold hoops that look really nice. So yeah, do check out Amazon if you are interested in those earrings. So guys, for the concealer that I'm using today, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Radiant Concealer. This is what it looks like. And this shade is the shade Tan, number 9. I really like this concealer so much because it has a nice yellow undertone to it, and I just feel like it makes my skin look really good. So I've been enjoying using this so much. I will have to do like a video for you guys where I compare this concealer and the NYX Cosmetics concealer and kind of give you guys my verdict on which one like looks nice all day. I think that might be a fun video to do. So yeah, I'm just applying this on the areas that I want to highlight, and then I'm gonna blend that out. So guys, I've set my makeup and the areas I applied the highlighted concealer with some Laura Mercier blurring powder, and then for extra bronze I'm going to go in with the Revolution, Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer, and this is in the shade Warm. I'm just gonna add a little bit of warmness to my skin because I'm not sure why it looks a little bit washed out, but I just want to add a bit more color to make this look more warmer, because after all it is an autumn makeup tutorial, so we want it to look really nice and warm. So guys, I've done my eyebrows and I've applied some half eyelashes from Amazon. I did that off camera just for quickness, and then now I'm going to finish up the rest of our eyes. So guys, I'm going to go in with that same orange that I applied to begin with on my eyelid. I'm just going to go just underneath my lower lash area and just apply a little bit of that. So I'm just taking this light brown color here and I'm just going to go over that orange color, and I'm just going to follow the application like so. This is what it looks like close up. And then for my lips, I am going to be lining them with this lip liner here from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Brown. This lip gloss here from Very Cosmetics. It's just a lip plumper that I like to use, and I'm gonna apply that right in the center of So guys, this is the finished look for my fall autumn makeup 2023 look. I really love it. I feel like it is warm, it is cozy. and it is effortless. It is such a nice makeup look, and I think that the brands just really do it for me. I love brown eyeshadows and just playing around with them, and I think this makeup look definitely brings up that autumn goodness. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll list all of the products that I use in the description box below, so do make sure you check that out. And thank you so much for joining me in this brand new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls. Bye.